with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up this morning we have AAVE. AAVE got my attention this morning, opening up here at the S3 Camarilla pivot level. So this is an area of discount. So I would be looking for a buy in this area, and I would look to trade it up to this R3 Camarilla pivot level. We'll go down to the weekly and do a top down, and then we'll come back to the 15 for more details on my trade here. So here we've got on the weekly, this is the current strong low. This is the current week high. We can see since the week high has been put in, selling's been pretty consistent. Here there's a test of the strong low, and then support was found and has sent price action back into the middle of this very large range here. On the 4-hour chart, we can see this is the current strong low. This is the current week high. You can see that there's been some consolidated price action up here near this week high, and now it's consolidating in this candle that it's in currently right now, but showing strength here on the weekly and on the 4-hour. Here on the 15-minute, we'll zoom in. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. Try to use it to pinpoint entries here on pullback. My pullback, or at least my entry, wasn't reached on the pullback, so I actually wound up having to take a manual entry. We came about 10 cents shy of where I wanted to come in. But entry-wise, again, this being the S3 Camarilla pivot level, so an area of discount looking to buy. Here in this candle, or let's back up, here is the order block that I am trading off of for this setup, and then it gets validated up to this point right here. This candle here validates the order block up to this level. Then we get some pullback. We actually get the close, this candle here, this 8 a.m. candle here. We get the close above this market structure level. So this orange line that you're seeing here, it is also under this candle. This is the opening structural range for the New York Open. So here in this 8 a.m. candle, we get the close above, so we get the confirmation of a market structure shift here on AAVE. So with this, I'd now either be looking for an order block to set up here at this level, or potentially at the S3 level, or pull back to test this order block here. I got FOMO this morning. The price action and just the fact that it's been a couple days since I've taken a trade. I think I was looking for any excuse to take one, in addition to validation, or the validation of this order block and things like that. But with this closure here, now I would want to look for an order block being formed, or pulling back to test the order block. So in this candle, I took an entry, and this is one trade right here. So I took an entry here with this breakout, but we can see we get sell off and selling here. So I wound up stopping out when my stop was reached here. So bad entry. Ideally, if this was for example, let's say this is an order block, which it may be, with here, this candle here, this would break out of it. But what I saw here was with the fail of this candle here, and no order block being formed on the front end of the range, or the upper end of the range, that price action was coming back in to test this order block here. So I took an entry with that trade idea, and we can see we've been done some buying and some consolidating since then. But as far as in positioning, currently in a green position here. Quite a bit of ways to go for target, and the way this price action is unfolding, it would be interesting to see if the traverse can be made here from S3 up here to R3. With the current price action seems to be struggling quite a bit, so I'm uncertain whether or not I'll get to target. This may be a currency pair or a trade that likely that may maybe make it up here to the middle or flop around or maybe test these liquidity levels here. But I'll keep an eye on this as the day goes. Now it looks like it may have found support here at the structural level or maybe here at the S3 level. But we'll keep an eye on it to see how it goes. And then I'm also in a position in Sandbox that is moving quite a bit better. Seemed to be a bit stronger on the day and moving in that way. We'll take a quick look over at Sandbox. So Sandbox, similar setup. I have my Fibonacci set up right here, but I won't set it up at this moment. But similar trade idea and situation, but this trade was much closer to target, and price action has been behaving much stronger. You can see the buying has been stronger in Sandbox than it has been in AAVE. But here in AAVE, things could get changed, or things can change really quickly. Both of these currency pairs have been kind of consolidating and not fully committing to the price action as far as in bullish price action. So we'll see today what buyers and sellers have in mind. But overall, market conditions wise, London Open, I saw selling here in the New York Open, seeing consolidation and some buying. Whether or not we'll be able to sustain that, we'll see. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. We'll see you next time.